Dark Souls 3 is actually very, very hard. I was very surprised at the difficulty. The stages in between the bosses are hard. The bosses are all super hard. So it was just really, really annoying. Like in Dark Souls 1, the stages like in between bosses were okay, a bit of a challenge, but the bosses were always a challenge until you get the pattern down. Dark Souls 2, the bosses were easy, but then the stages were extremely hard. Like if you die, it's really punishing to go. The travel time between area A to area B with the bosses is always extremely long, and if you die just right at the beginning, it's punishing. But the bosses were easy. Now Dark Souls 3 is both stages going from stage A to stage B is hard, and the bosses are hard. So yeah, definitely a challenge. I should really go back into Final Fantasy VII Rebirth and finish it, but it's just there's a lot. I just wanted to break from Final Fantasy. Anyway, today, this morning, I went to Aberdeen because I wanted to go to Artbox to see if I can find anything for Shavana's birthday. It's not for another while, but I just wanted to look just in case I didn't have time next week to shop. So I already got one or two things, and I think I'm gonna pick up one more thing, but we'll see. And then I got some lunch, which I ate, which is behind me. I had some noodles and I didn't drink all that pop. That was from yesterday, and my friend was over yesterday too, so that's why this was cheap. I'm gonna clean up, and then I'm just finishing up the laundry right now. It's in the dryer. It's probably done in like 10 minutes. And then I already packed my bag and I'm off to Calgary. So fun times again. If you're wondering, I'm probably not gonna vlog this time in Calgary. It's just me on the plane. Nothing new. It's the same hotel. Everything's exactly the same. And then yeah, meeting, and then I'm back. But the same day I'm back, I have to see if I make it to Scott's exhibit. He's actually putting, not a show, but he actually has like a booth, a table set up, and he's gonna sell some artwork, but he's also just show off his artwork. So it's first time, I think it's his first time doing something like this, so I'm gonna go support. I bought a ticket, so hopefully I make it back in time. If I don't, I don't. But the thing is, it's till 11 p.m, so I'm pretty sure I'll make it. But the plan is to meet with some, I think Siobhan and Aaron, and we're gonna get into happy hour before we go. We'll see. A lot of the gang's going, so it'll be fun to see everybody outside. But yeah, I'm probably gonna skip straight to tomorrow and skip all the Calgary stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys literally in 2 seconds when I'm back in Vancouver. Make sure I'm aiming high enough. I'm not wearing pants. It's too hot. Anyway, I'm home now. I was able to make it to Scott's exhibit thing. It was really fun. It was very hot in there because, you know, speaking of Scott, he literally just messaged me. But yeah, it was definitely fun. But today I definitely realized my age. Because it took place in celebrities almost kind of way at a club downtown, and let's put it this way, I'm way past clubbing days, and the loud noise and the environment, it just was so unappealing to me. I've definitely gotten old. I think it was Scott's first event. I think it was great. He had all these prints and stickers all posted and stuff. It was really cool. I bought one of the prints. I forgot where I put it. I don't want to get up because you'll see that I'm not wearing pants. So I bought the one where it was Spirited Away with like Studio Ghibli stuff, so I will show that. I'm pretty sure you guys, I would have vlogged it, so you guys would have seen it. But yeah, it was fun. But yeah, I realized I'm definitely old. I think he's doing another event next time. But yeah, no, he got a premium spot. Like, he had the corner, and he was alone in that corner, and it was by the staircase, so everyone had to walk by his display, so it was really good. So, and I'm not being biased, a lot of the artists there were like, okay, but Scott kind of stood out. Like, there was effort. I could see that he put a lot of work to make sure everything looked good, whereas some I saw just haphazardly put photos up without really having any thought of how it looked. They just put it up. I forgot which one. This one just put random. There was no story. Like, this person could have easily put the pictures in a more, you know, distinct way to make it flow better. I just felt like this person just got there late and just like, oh my god, let's put it up. So, you know, that kind of thing. I am just here right now editing a video, and then I'm gonna catch an episode, or a new episode of His Man Season 3. But I just would like to hydrate first because it's just been very, very hot today. I have more ice in this than water because it'll melt eventually, but it's actually a good thing that I'm drinking water. You know, the old me would probably crave a sugary drink right now, a soda right now, but I'm like, you know what, I kind of want water, which is surprising. So I ordered a few things during Amazon Prime, one of them being a portable steamer, because I'm not a big fan of ironing, mainly because I have to have an ironing board, fill with water, and then I gotta patiently do it when it heats up, whereas this one's just portable. And you know, I've been using a steamer at work anyway, and I've been liking it, so, but I didn't need something that big, so I thought this $20 one wasn't a bad thing to try. If I don't like it, I don't like it, and I didn't waste too much money on it, so we'll see. I'm gonna open it up and see how big it really is. Currently, I'm just waiting for my friend to come over because he's going to bring some food because he didn't eat yet either. He's going to wait, and then we're going to get food, and we're going to finish watching the last episode, the latest episode of His Man Season 3. So we've been watching it together. So yeah, I'm going to open the thing up. I already opened it, but I realized it was recording. This is the spout for the end, I'm guessing, and then a measuring cup for the water. What else is there? What is this? What is that? Oh, these are the bristles. Okay. Everything comes separate. And here's the main box. It's not very big. I like it. Oh, the cable is actually a decent length. I can plug it in, and then I was thinking of hanging it along my shower curtain because it's high enough. Then I'll just steam it. I don't know why I did sound effect. But yeah, it's actually small. It looks like a tiny water jug. Alright, my friend says he's going to bring over Korean food. I'm not sure what he's going to bring, but I'm not going to say no to Korean food. So, yeah. I have a feeling it's going to be finger food because they're watching a TV show. So, I feel it would make more sense to have finger food. We'll find out. I'm excited to watch the episode of His Man Season 3. I think the finale is next week, but there's so much happening that I'm getting so angry at the TV. My friend is like showing me a recording of myself, and wow, I look like a crazy person. I forgot to end the vlog, but this is just gonna see all you're gonna see in the top half of my face because I'm very, very tired right now. I don't want to find my glasses or anything. So yeah. I just cleaned the house a little bit. The steamer worked pretty well, actually. Pretty happy with it. I still have to get used to it because there's not a lot of water, or it's a really small capacity for water, so there's limited time of steam. But it works pretty well. I just got to practice with it. And then I ordered a few more things from Prime, but I'll show you guys when it finally arrives. But yeah, tomorrow I have dim sum with family, and then I'm meeting another friend. And we're just gonna chill and play video games. Hopefully it's not too hot, because, you know, we're playing video games, it's gonna get really hot. I might have to turn on the AC a bit to cool us down once in a while, but I think it'll be a lot of fun. And then, I think I'm meeting Kat next week too, so I haven't seen Kat in a long time. And then I think the end of the week we're doing Shavana's, sorry, that's next week, Shavana's birthday thing. That's why even though I bought some of Shavana's gifts, I can't show you guys, because if she watches my vlog, she'll find out what I got her. I don't know if I'm blurry or not right now, but I'm just not gonna carry too much. I look so fat zoomed in. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here before I completely knock out and fall asleep, so I'll see you guys next week. Where there it is.